Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the extra puzzles, the additional, and the puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, January 22nd, 2024. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Yes, the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 20th, 21st, 2024. We have here five puzzles left. Two puzzles in this puzzle page, the Three Stars Sudoku and the binary, and also an additional, the Sunday additional. Three puzzles left, the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. But let me first solve this one. Yeah, this one. It's the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, actually 2 stars. This one has 27 printed digits. This one will be number 7848. Yeah, 7848. And it has 27 printed digits. Should be a 1-star puzzle, not 2 stars. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright. In the first column, we need an 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. You see an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left 8 in this first column. Should be there. No 8. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And how about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 6 goes there. Let me zoom this out. Oh, wow. Alright. 6 and 8. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Now, 4 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Wow, a lot of pairs. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then 1, 4, and 5, 1, 4. Yeah, 5 in this row. Third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. Alright. Then. Then. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Right. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. And I need a 5 here. Okay, and now. Ooh, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 4. We have 3 and a 4 in this middle column, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 1, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing, 1, 7 and a 9. And look, we have 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes in there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 9, 9. And number 6, 9 and 6. Yeah, we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 in this third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, need a 1 here. Need a 8 here. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 8. Should be there. 6 and 9. We already have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. We have 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, need a 5 here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below the only place level 6 should be there. Then 2, 9, 7. 2 missing numbers here in this row. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 and 6, we have 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. And the 6 here, okay. 1, 4, 7. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. This is a 7. The 3, the 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 place level 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the last row, no 5 there. The only place level 5 should be there. We have 2 in this column. Third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 place left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the last row, no 2 there. Only place left. The 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 1. How about the 3? Alright. The 3 in the first column, the 3 in the third column. So in the third column, the only 2 place left. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that last row, so the row between. The only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 7 and 9. We have a 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes in there. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow! I'm faster than 50 minutes. 40 minutes. 30 minutes. Zoot be a 0 stars. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page, the binary 10 by 10. Until then, bye-bye for now.